We're taking a look at 5454 Pine Tree Drive today in this incredible house listed by Nancy Batchelor and Liz Hogan. I'm going to take you through the upstairs, downstairs, and we'll take a look at the pool area. First thing I want to show you is this gorgeous formal living room. Look at the murals and the paint. You have beautiful birds, have some dragonflies, just a beautiful place to entertain. Lots of windows. This room is so cool. This is your own private smoking lounge. You have nice speakers set up, a little bar area, place to sit and enjoy a cigar with friends, overlooking the pool and the outside guest house. I'm gonna take you over through the kitchen, through the movie theater. You have a humongous kitchen, double ovens, microwaves, you have gas range, a little hibachi grill, multiple sinks throughout, 2 sinks, 2 refrigerators, still like an eat-in area, so you can still use this place to sit and, maybe have breakfast here. But through the kitchen, now you are in your theater. You have a full bath right over here. Door leads you out to the rear of it. And as you're going upstairs, you do have a split staircase, so you can go left or right. They both take you to the same place pretty much. Going upstairs to the right, a super cool mural on the upstairs. You have like a little area here. This could be a bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it does have a closet and a window. And then they have this room set up as your own massage room, have a day bed, and super interesting murals, so cool. Tigers, butterflies. This is like trippy Alice in Wonderland. So we'll go through here. These are the same stairs that we came up, but now we're gonna pass through this side of the house. You have a lot of exposure. You can look right over the pool. Really interesting decor over here. Got a really fun chair. This is definitely like a den or a kid's room. You have a TV, little cabinets and cubbies for all the toys. And this one does have a bathroom right back here. Love the wallpaper in this room. Have a nice peacock, little llama setup. And again, you're overlooking the pool, but it gives you some privacy because you have these beautiful banana palms covering your windows. This is a great size bedroom. You have a king bed over here. You even have a desk for an office. You could set up your laptop, work from here, and then a little door that takes you out to a nice Juliet balcony, a little deep Juliet balcony. Nice walk-in closet, and then great bathroom with the butterfly wallpaper. You do have a tub and a floating vanity. Super great hardwood floor. It looks like the original hardwood floor, which I really like. We are in the primary closet. I would say this is hers because you have a ton of storage. You have racks for your shoes, nice window overlooking the pool. But let me show you what's up here in this room. So what's really cool about this room is you actually have a sink. So if you need to get a haircut or if you're getting your hair colored, you can just have your stylist set up right here. Right back here is a standard shower. And then you also have a steam shower with a little bench on it. Really nice vanity for makeup. So now we are in what I would call the primary because it does have the connecting closets. So you actually have his closet right behind here. And you have her bathroom and closet where we were before, overlooking a balcony facing the pool. Great lounge area, super open, 2 sofas here so you can have some friends lounge around while they're hanging out in your room. And I know that hers closet was pretty big, but take a look at his closet. This is humongous. You have plenty of room to store your shoes, hang up your dress shirts. You have some other storage back here, all built in for wardrobe. So storage is not an issue in this house. Now we're in a lounge area. Again, it's connected to the master, but it's overlooking the pool right over here. Got Giuseppe, hey Giuseppe. And then a staircase that leads you right out down to the pool level. Just a super awesome area to entertain. You have 4 burners right behind us. So there is like a little kitchen element here. You have a sink with the filtered water tap. And then right over here is a mini fridge. So plenty of room to entertain up here. great spot, and especially it's right next to your bedroom. That's kind of funny, right? We pretty much took a look at everything on this upstairs floor. I love this hallway, just so much natural light. You can see out to the pool. Let me take you downstairs now. We'll take a look at a couple more features of this house. So we're outside. That's where the entrance was. Super great living area. Hi, Nancy. Look at this. This is like your own tropical oasis. Lay down, just relax in the sun. Right behind me, that was where the primary was, right up here. And then we walked around, we saw that hallway, and we went over into the bedrooms, the movie theater room. Right over here is the guest house. I want to take you inside next. Besides the pink flamingo wallpaper, you do have these hurricane-proof windows. So you'll notice that there was like a little bit of sound. You could hear the pool, but it actually is a little bit muffled and it kind of blocks out the sound from the outside. So a great size room. Nice lofted ceilings, you have a split AC unit. And then this bathroom is great because you do have access to the pool. Hey, Giuseppe. And it's a full bath, stand-up shower, tub, nice vanity, nice sink right here. You could have people come in like Giuseppe did right off the pool. You can close this door, give you some privacy. All right, and then through here, this is your garage. Has the flooring done, 3-car garage, washer and dryer right behind me, little woodworking area. And then I would call this another pretty much studio, another ADU. You have a door to the outside, you have a split AC, you have a stand-up shower, toilet, and then you have access to the elevator. That's our tour of 5454 Pine Tree Drive, listed by Nancy Batchelor. List price on this is $8.5 million. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe for more Miami house tours. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.